What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we are going to talk about Cardano, if there is no correction in Cardano, and what potentially is the next trading opportunity in Cardano, and also what I will do with my investment strategy right here in Cardano. But before we are getting started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are brand new, and of course the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. That is the right address for you if you are tired of having no idea in which market stage we are in right now, what you should do, when to buy, when to sell, when it is time to cash in profits. Here you won't feel lost anymore, because on my Patreon account I will give you real-time updates on all my portfolio and trading updates, plus you will get access to my Discord community where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's go straight into the analysis. So right now we are here in the Cardano chart. You can see here this big liquidation candle, but that just happened on Kraken. So in the real in the overall other market, this crash right here didn't happen. And right now, yeah, we are very close again to the all-time high. And now of course is the question, will there be a correction in Cardano? And yes, I think it is likely. I think also it is likely in the general market that this correction is not over yet. So right now we are looking at Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin do this or will do another drop, then very likely the other cryptos will follow, and the other cryptos of course is also Cardano. But now is the question, when is a good time to get into Cardano? And as I already mentioned in some of my last streams, I think right now is not a good point to get into Cardano. Because it is close to an all-time high. It is not 100% clear if Bitcoin will do another correction or if it will go up. My higher probability is that Bitcoin will continue this correction, and then of course also most altcoins will also suffer from it. So the higher probability for me is also that in the general altcoin markets we will see better entries. So that is the thing that I'm expecting. I will also show you quickly why I'm expecting this. And this is just pretty simple. Take a look at the Bitcoin weekly chart. You can see the 21 weekly moving average is pretty far away, and normally in this even in this bullish cycle, you can see here normally we are testing the 21 weekly moving average with a correction, and with the last correction right here we didn't even came close to it. Right now also not even close to it. Same thing applies to almost every other crypto. Also Ethereum right here, you can see 21 weekly moving average pretty far away. Same is for Cardano. Alright, right now, as I mentioned, this was the Kraken flash crash, but in the whole other market we also didn't came close right here. Then also from the historical data you can see that right here. Let's go back into the daily chart. You can see that right here. Take a look at this. So the blue line here was the old all-time high back from 2017, 2018, sorry. So that was the old all-time high in the total market cap. Take a look at this pattern. We broke through it, retest it, doing a consolidation move, and then breaking out again. And right now we have broken out again, hit the target right here, and now we are doing the correction. And now let's get back into the historical data, because in the historical data you can see a similar pattern back in 2016. Here that was the old all-time high back from 2013, I think, and there broke through it dynamically, retest the old high, consolidation stage. Of course this consolidation stage here took way longer than the previous one. This one was 6 months, the previous one was just 1 month. Then we had the 58% right here, 58% price increase from the break of from this all-time high right here, and that is exactly what we did so far. So that is also where I got this target, the 58%, and 1.78 trillion I think it was. that target is from this historical data pattern, and here also you can see that we are doing it's also very funny to see the candles looking pretty similar right now, but you can see from this historical data that we also had first a drop, then a little pullback, and then another drop, and also in the general drop was 35% big. Right now in the total market, I think we also had a very nice drop, but it was from the top till the dip it was 27%. That comes very close to the 35%, but it would be a very, very small drop compared to what we saw so far from the previous bull run. And also it wouldn't be healthy to just continuing to rallying higher, so there is much pointing out that this correction is not over so far, and that is also why this is my higher probability scenario. And in case we are doing this higher probability scenario, then likely we will get also a price decrease, so another correction in Cardano. But as I mentioned in my stream, I am right now I am already in the top 10 invested, so in the top 10 cryptos. So let me just quickly show you that. So right now I have in my portfolio Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash. That are the coins that I have in the top 10. I didn't have Bitcoin, I didn't have Binance Coin, and I didn't have Cardano. And right now for me it doesn't make sense to buy Cardano at this high valuations right here, because when you saw my most realistic price prediction, you can also see it right here, I have written this down, that here is my most realistic price prediction based on the historical data, so $20.86, that is my most realistic price prediction. And that would let's just round these numbers, and let's just say we were at $1 and the price the price prediction was at $20 or $21, then this would be a 20x. And of course this is a general, this will be another outperformance of the market, but I also have this outperformance with the other cryptos that I'm holding in the top 10 right now, and the coins that I'm holding in the top 10 are also my risk reducers. So from this perspective, it wouldn't make any sense for me right now to jump into Cardano and have, of course, a 20x potential. That is no doubt very nice, no doubt about that. But that would be another risk reducer, and so for me, it would be better to get into smaller projects that have more potential, because I already have covered my risk. And by the way, my real crypto portfolio is by the way already fully exposed, so there I can't even add more to this in my real portfolio, but in my trading account I can do that. But in my trading account also I can do two things, and that is, once I'm buying their cryptos that I really plan to hold over a longer period of time. And the second thing, of course, is to do also trades in cryptos that will be then not about the duration of the whole bull market, but maybe a couple of weeks, maybe 1 month, 2 months. So that is also what I'm doing in my trading account. And Cardano is one crypto that I'm looking at right now for both scenarios, but the one scenario, so that I will really hold it till the end of the bull market, is when I will get a very good entry. And for me that has to be at least 50 cents. Don't get me wrong here, I'm not saying it is absolutely sure that Cardano will correct to 50 cents, because most people are just crossing out what I have said and just hear that Cardano will go to 50 cents and they are thinking, oh, I'm crazy or something like that. So that is not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that the probability of another correction, so that we will go lower, is my higher probability right now. And if Cardano should get to this 50 cent level, then it would be interesting for me to buy Cardano for a long-term hold. If not, then this will not be the case. The other case, so that from a trading perspective, so a little bit more in the short term, in Cardano it would be also very interesting to trade this breakout right here. So that is also another possibility that that can be taken in account in Cardano right here. You know, this red line right here is the old all-time high from Cardano, and you know this, when we are breaking out of the old all-time high, then very likely we will have much more gains to follow. I can show you, for example, this one right here, similar as we did in the total market cap. You can see right here the blue line is the old all-time high. We break through it, retested it, and that would be the when we should do something similar in Cardano, that would be the interesting point to take a trade. And when we retest the old all-time high, and then you can see after that, yeah, prices are increasing again. So that would be my trading opportunity for Cardano. So that are the two scenarios that I'm preparing for right now. And also, of course, in general, I am preparing for this next for this continuation of the correction, and also prepare to stack up my current positions that I have in my trading account. And of course, all that, everything I do in real time, you will get the update live on Patreon. So there I post everything I do, everything I buy, everything I sell, when do I buy, when do I sell, and so on and so on. So you will get all these informations right on my Patreon account. And I just want to share these two possibilities right now that I'm looking into Cardano right now, and that I'm preparing for. And which scenario will play out, of course, I will keep you up to date on this right here on YouTube and in real time also on my Patreon account. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates. And as I said, the first link in the video description is the Patreon account. Definitely make sure to check it out. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.